Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain logistic regression. So what is logistic regression? Logistic regression is an algorithm to classify an input. For example, let's say we have these datasets. This dataset explains the correlation between students' GPAs along with their acceptance status for an overseas scholarship. With this in mind, this dataset contains two features. Which are GPA and accept. If it is one for the accept, then it means accepted, while zero means rejected. Based on these data sets, we want to classify whether this guy will be accepted to a university. So we create a logistic regression function based on this dataset. And doing that, we put a GPA to the function, and the function will determine whether it will be 1 or 0. So how does it work? Well, simply we scatter out the data like so, and after that we calculate the linear regression line. Let's say the linear regression lines looks like this. Okay, and it has this equation as its representation. Y equal to mx plus c. And this equation will be inserted to this function, namely sigmoid function. And the result will be like this. If we put this equation, this one is equal. Now the regression line will look like this. This is the logistic regression line. Looks like it is like an S. And now if the result is in this area, let's say this area, it's in this area, the GPA will be classified as 1, as accepted. And here, to this, it will be classified as 0. Classified as 1. And here, classified as 0. Now, what's interesting is in here. Now this one, this area is in these parts, and one of the area might end up in here, which is 0.5, 50% probability. And if there is a GPA in here, it will be assigned as 0.5. Now, this GPA here has a chance, has a 50% chance to be accepted and 50% chance to be rejected. Now, the solution to this problem is by giving the logistic regression a role, such as 50% 50%. If more than 50%, then label as one. Just give it a roll. And that's it. For example, if we have inputs like this, our previous inputs, now we put Ahmad GPA to in this, okay? So because he has 3.9, he will be classified as accepted in here. He will be classified as accepted. Now Ais might end up somewhere in here, and she will be classified as ejected since she end up somewhere in here and it is below 50%. And Aldi, of course, let's say he is in here. Of course, he will definitely be rejected because he is less than the threshold. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.